Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll try to explain how to complete the Steam Spring Cleaning event. In case you haven't noticed, Steam just launched the event which will last till 28th May, and in this event you're gonna have to play games from your library and get event rewards. So the first thing you're gonna do is download Steam Achievement Manager from the description. I'm sorry for making too much video on Steam Achievement Manager, but this application can do a lot. Go to the Steam store and click on the event banner where you can see the tasks to get trophies. You need to play some games from your library. Steam will select what games to play, so don't worry about that. These are the daily tasks. Click here. You will play to get this trophy. Now you don't have to play both of the games, you just need to play only one. So the reason why I'm making this video is it will take you a lot of time to download the games. I'll show you how to play them without downloading just to get the trophies. I'll come back to that. Click on the second one, 4 games in here. You just need to play one. The third one, you just need to play one. So let's see how to play them without downloading. Let's say I'll play Dead by Daylight. Just click on that, copy the game ID from the link, paste it in Steam Achievement Manager and add game, and then open the game. As you can see, your Steam status is in game. That will do the job for you. You should have the trophy. You need to do the same with the second one and the third one. Just play one game from each of them. Now these are the daily tasks. It will change every day, so make sure you do this every day till 28th. Now moving to the projects. These tasks are permanent and gold ones, so you just need to do them once. I only got 2 left. It's the same way I showed up before. Click let's have a look. It will show you the qualified games. For example, I'll take PUBG. Copy the game ID. Paste it here and run the game. You're good to go. Refresh the page and voila, there you have the golden trophy. Do this to all of the projects. There's my last one. A lot of games in here. I'll pick this one. Copy game ID. Paste it in here, add game and open it. And that should be done. Let's refresh the whole page. See, I'm done getting them all. After doing this, you will have a badge that will look like this. You can upgrade the badge, so make sure you do that daily, as I said earlier. You will also get some items from the event, emoticons and backgrounds. So that was a quick video on how to complete the Steam event. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.